welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants and Patrick Star. Enjoy the draw!
I can't do it! SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. Guess we'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranial cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible! Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other. My best friend made it for me.
Shh, okay. You can be a spy. Just be quiet.
Our friendship ring! I can't do it! SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. We're ready! Come on, Bob!
And Pat Boy!
Great
reporting for duty! SpongeBob, snap out of it! It's me, your best friend, Patrick!
What's that? I can't hear you, what with all the lonely voices in my head.
Oh man, he's too far gone.
Not fit to live in society.
Is this all my fault? Me and my dumb ideas! I'm so sorry!
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!